Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we try to understand what companies are actually up to. And let me tell you, Peraso Inc. has been busy lately. Today we are diving into their latest filing to see what's really going on behind the scenes. We will break down their recent moves, especially those that impact how they are raising money and what that means for their future. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, if you love getting straightforward insights from these corporate documents, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Also, we have a growing community on Discord where we chat about these things all the time. The link is in the description below. So this report is a Form 8K, which is basically like a current event announcement for companies. It's used when something significant happens that the public needs to know about quickly, not just in their regular quarterly or annual reports. This particular filing is dated the 10th of October 2025, and it's all about an update to an ongoing agreement the company has for selling its stock. Essentially, Peraso Inc. entered into a deal called an at-the-market offering agreement. Think of it like this for small businesses. Imagine you have a lemonade stand and you want to be able to sell more lemonade whenever you have a lot of demand. This agreement lets Peraso Inc. sell its own company stock directly to investors in small amounts over time, basically when the market feels right. It's a way to keep raising money without having to do a big formal new stock sale every time. What's new here is that they decided to boost the total amount of stock they are allowed to sell under this agreement. Originally, they could sell up to a certain amount, and now they are raising that total cap. This indicates they are looking for more funding or believe there is a good opportunity to raise additional capital. So, they are increasing the potential amount of money they can raise. This filing tells us they are amending the agreement to allow for selling up to an additional $1,750,000 worth of their common stock. This is on top of what they have already sold. And get this, they've already sold over $2.5 million worth of stock under this program. That shows this at-the-market strategy has been active and successful in bringing in funds for them. This sale of stock is happening under a previous filing called a registration statement. This is a huge document where companies lay out all the details about their stock for potential investors. It's like a comprehensive brochure that the government, the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SE for short, requires them to file. This specific registration statement was filed earlier, and it's the legal foundation that allows them to continuously offer and sell their stock like this. It means all the necessary disclosures about the company and its shares are already out there. The stock they are selling is their common stock. The par value is a very small nominal amount. What's important is that it's common stock, which is what most investors own. You might know their stock ticker symbol is PRS. Oh, it trades on the Nasdaq Stock Market LLC. This filing also includes an opinion from their lawyers. This is pretty standard. Lawyers review the situation and provide their professional opinion that the shares being issued are legally okay to be sold. It is a stamp of approval from their legal team. And at the end, you have the signature from the Chief Financial Officer, James Sullivan. This is the official sign-off, confirming that the company is making this filing official. Now, while this filing is more about the mechanics of raising money, the underlying story is what matters. Peraso Inc. is a company that operates in the technology sector, specifically focusing on advanced wireless communication. They are developing technologies related to Wi-Fi, which is something we all use every day. Companies in this space often need significant funding for research and development, taking their new chips and technologies from the lab to mass production and getting them into devices. Raising money through these at-the-market offerings is a common strategy for growth-oriented tech companies. It allows them to be nimble, securing funds precisely when they need them for expansion, new product launches, or to weather any short-term financial bumps. The fact that they have already successfully sold over $2.5 million worth of stock and are now increasing that limit suggests that either their capital needs are growing or they foresee particularly good market conditions to continue raising funds. This could mean they have exciting new projects in the pipeline, or perhaps they are facing increased competition and need more resources to maintain their edge. It's a sign of a company that is actively managing its financial structure to support its growth ambitions in a dynamic tech industry. Looking at this report, Peraso Inc. is essentially telling us they are gearing up for more action. By increasing the amount of stock they can sell, they are preparing to fund future growth. They have already demonstrated they can effectively use this at-the-market tool, having sold a substantial amount previously. This suggests a proactive approach to capital management. The key question for us as observers is what they plan to do with this additional capital. Is it for more research to build the next generation of wireless technology, expanding their manufacturing capabilities, or perhaps preparing for a strategic acquisition? Without more specific details in this particular filing about the exact use of funds, we have to infer based on their industry and past actions. However, the overall direction is clear. They are seeking resources to fuel their development and market presence in the competitive semiconductor and wireless technology space. The legal opinion further solidifies that these actions are being taken within the established regulatory frameworks, providing some assurance to potential investors. So, what is my take on this? Peraso Inc. is demonstrating a clear strategy of utilizing its stock to fund its ongoing operations and growth. They are not sitting still, they are actively seeking capital to advance their technology. The increase in the offering size signals a positive outlook from management's perspective on future opportunities, or perhaps a need to fortify their financial position. The risks here are always present in the tech world: rapid innovation, intense competition, and the constant need for capital. However, their consistent use of this funding mechanism indicates they are managing these challenges with a degree of foresight. The opportunity lies in their ability to deliver on their technological promises and capture market share. It's a company that is actively playing the capital markets game to stay ahead. Alright, that is our breakdown of Peraso Incorporated's latest filing. What is your take on these numbers and what they signal for the company's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.